it's up here. Let me see. But it sounds like it's from up here. Yeah, you might have a dead hole here.
I'll just run all that hole.
Yeah, but I mean, it ain't firing at all. Every time. Yeah, I would think. You see that? Yeah, I think that
500. 500. That one's dead.
that one's cold.
4 something. 4 something. That one's dead. So you got 1 and 7 that are dead.
In 2 and
Yeah, 2 and
2 and 7. Finish wiring in the fuel pump, get it right, get the injectors out, get them cleaned up. We can always check sparks, make sure. I mean, once this thing comes off, then you'll be able to see distributor cap. The distributor cap, be good. Had the exact right fuel pump here. Oil pressure, everything was good on here.
It's about 35 once it kind of warmed up.
Pop that rail off, no problem. Cheetah chopper, pulling the injectors on it. Is it considered a motorcycle, or is it considered a 3-wheel car with handlebars? Yeah. This is like Hulk's motorcycle, dude. This makes no sense, but it's cool. I could see like one of the Avengers riding this fucking thing, dude. Oh, yeah, of course, there. That's ancient technology right there, dude. That's before HP tuners. That's an injector. Oh, that's dirty. Hey, I won't break it.
This is before we cleaned a set of injectors for a customer on his Cheetah motorcycle. Now we're doing the final test on them after we cleaned them up. Right now we're on the low side. The high side come out pretty decent. Before we cleaned them, they were a negative offset of 172.6.
This is what your injectors are supposed to look like. Right here. This is what they were. That's no bueno. But now we got them cleaned out. Fuel system clean up, drain the tank, replace fuel lines, new fuel pump.
Timing's perfect.
It's like Harley and Chevrolet had a love child.
Turn him at us. Make y'all roll, Phil.
check the PSI on that front tire and stuff, but it does do this a lot. But once you're up to speed, it kind of goes away. It's not that bad. And we need to tighten up these mirrors. They fucking flop all over the place. But it shifts good. The brakes are going to be hard, so think ahead a little bit.
Dude, it rides absolutely horrible. I'm gonna just guess that's because it's a trike. Every bump, dude, is just throwing you like this. You're constantly getting bucked left or right. You know, a motorcycle, you can kind of find your rut and go. But this suspension, I bet you if you lifted like right here, the whole rear end, it probably doesn't articulate very well. Yeah, it's like a truck arm, like a little short truck arm. It's got power, that's for sure.
America right there, boy.
Meet you up there.
All right. So our time with the possibly most early 2000s thing that has ever come into the shop, the 2007 Cheetah chopper, has come to an end. Ready to go home and be enjoyed by our owner. A little bit of a case of garage queen, trailer queen syndrome as we call it around here a little bit. That's just what we call when the fuel system gets rotted out from sitting a little too long. You know, customer wants to drive it, so just a basic fuel system cleanup. This is fuel injected with Edelbrock throttle body injection system on it. I forget the ProFlow, I believe is what it was called. So we had to service that a little bit, drain the tank, replace the fuel pump. Just uses a standard Walbro 255 inline pump. You got your standard small block Chevy V8 right here. I believe the owner did say this was a 383. Simple job, straightforward. Took about 12 hours of work to get everything lined out, get everything cleaned up, replumbed, all nice, ready to go. Little basic tune up. Got some new shocks on the front. This thing goes, man. It goes down the road, that's for sure. But I think where it's got most of its gut is down low It's a lot of torque. Even if this was a bone stock roller motor from a late 90s truck or something like that, it's still gonna make 300 pound-feet of torque minimum. And that's a lot. This thing probably weighs 1,500 pounds at the most with the driver. She's a lot of fun. And like I said, quite possibly the most early 2000s, late 90s Orange County choppers era American thing that we've ever had come through here. Let's take it for a ride. Hop on, brother. No more traction now.